Good morning. Today is Monday, December 21st. We're going to start the day off with a sports day, so make sure for the live meetings you are dressed up in your favorite sports gear. We have a live meeting at 9 o'clock first for math. For math today, we are going to continue on with part 2 of ratios. We worked on that fun Desmos lesson with the predator prey in the pond on Friday, and we're going to continue with that lesson on ratios today. Today you will have 3.1.6 as your homework for the review preview. Make sure you have your 316 notes downloaded also prior to coming to the meeting. Then we have our open office hours at 10 o'clock, so I'll be there from 10 to 10:45 if you have any questions or you want to stay to get some help with your math. At 11 o'clock, we have our live language arts meeting, and today we're going to continue on with that Module 0, Lesson 4. We didn't quite finish that last week on Friday, so we're going to continue on with that today. I did create, as promised, a response journal checklist to make sure that you're continuing to keep up on your response journal. You can click on it here or here. I put it in both places. Make sure you understand that you are going to turn in that Mod 0 journal. And that response journal is part of your grade. So we're going to make sure that you're keeping up with that journal each day. Lastly, we're going to finish the lesson off with just a quick write that is entered into Schoology. So you will do the quick write, the blue puzzle piece. You'll find that in the targeted measurements under language arts. So if you're in language arts, you'll go to this targeted measurements, and it's in Mod 0 formatives. And it's this blue puzzle piece here. So you will take that today. And we're almost done. You're going to study for social studies today because tomorrow we're going to take the Chapter 5 assessment in our live meeting at 1 o'clock. And then science, you're going to continue working on your formative assessment as well on the speed, velocity, and acceleration assignment, which Ms. Golinowski had so kindly explained to us on Friday. And then we'll also, or on Thursday actually, of last week. So we're going to continue on with that. And that is actually due on Tuesday, December 22nd. And if you don't remember how to do that, remember Ms. Golinowski also put together a video for that assignment as well. Otherwise, I'll see you today at our meeting at 9 o'clock. Have a good one.